Next, let's create our first email campaign. You can go to Campaigns on the left and then click Create Campaign. We're doing an email campaign, so let's click that one. Let's name the campaign something. Let's say Conference Welcome Email and click Create Campaign. Next, we need to verify the sender details. So Manage Sender. Let's ensure the email address is the email address we plan to use. And here's the sender name. I want to personalize it, so I'm going to put my name here, Matt with Medix Media. And that's how it'll show up. Here's the preview. We'll click Save. Next, let's set up our recipients. Click Add Recipients. Then we'll need to select the list or segment to send our email to. I'm going to use this first list that we created earlier. There are also advanced options you can explore, but we won't use those today. So just click Save to continue. Next, let's add a subject. I know that this is going to be a welcome email, so I'm just going to say hello, and let's personalize it. And we can add the recipient's first name by going here and clicking first name as the attribute. And if for some reason that attribute isn't available, let's put there. So it'll just say hello there. One exclamation point. And here's a preview of our subject. There's also preview text that we'll need to create. Preview text shows up under the subject in an email client. It's meant to be just a little snippet to give a teaser of what's in the email. So I'm going to say, welcome to the community special offer inside. And we'll click Save.